the detail of my material, MM02, enter. This is the material quality management view, and in the inspection setup, inspection type 89 is activated. Okay, and let's save it, and we can go to the MIC, which I want to try, QS23, enter, and this is the name of the MIC, L test. Press enter key, and the plant is 1000. It's a quantitative MIC, complete copy model I have selected, and in the control indicator, upper lower limit and even the target value is selected. Sampling procedure is selected in single result recording with the required characteristics, and fixed scope is selected in this. The quantitative data which is maintained both upper and lower limit as 60, and even the target value is 60. Okay. But sometimes we want that there should be some allowed tolerance. And if I want to specify that in the percentage allowed tolerance, then in the specification determination, there is this rule field. So if I select this, you will get these options. One as a tolerance specification in percentage, and two as a tolerance specification via tolerance key. So if I select the first one, which is a tolerance specification in percentage, at present you will not find any extra field here in the lower half. Press enter key, then few extra fields will be displayed. You will be allowed to enter the upper tolerance limit and lower tolerance limit in percentage. Okay, so let me enter, say, 5% for the upper limit and minus 5% for the lower limit. Press enter key. You can click on activate, and if you click on the stimulate icon, then it will show you actual upper limit now will be, instead of 60, it will be 63, because we have specified 5% as the tolerance, and the lower limit will be now 57 actual lower limit instead of 60. Okay, continue. It is showing you the lower limit and the upper limit which we have entered, and the new specifications are these after adding the 5% tolerance for the value. Okay, continue. Let's save it, and we can assign the same MIC to our inspection plan. QP02, enter, and this is the material. Plant is 1000. Press enter key, and in the header level, usage is 3. And in the operation control key, QM01 is selected. Inspection characteristics. Let me remove this MIC and we will reassign it. Okay. So I can enter the MIC as this, press enter key, and in the sampling procedure, I'm selecting fixed sampling procedure and press enter key. And if you want, you can check the details once again. The quantitative data which is maintained is 60 for all upper lower limit and the target value, and the sample which we are using sampling procedure, it is a fixed sample. Manual validation is selected. The sample size is 5. Continue. Let's save it. Now we can create a lot for it. So I can go to QA01, enter. This is the material plant and the origin is 89. Press enter key, and I can specify my quantities. Suppose 25 I'm entering. Press enter key. So the plan is already assigned, you can see, with the usage 3, and the sample size has been calculated as 5. Save it. Now we can do the result recording for the same lot. Press enter key. At present, you can see the specifications which are coming are 57 to 63 instead of 60, because the tolerance has been added as 5% for it. And enter the values. 60, enter, it is accepted. If I enter say 57, it is accepted. And if I enter say 55, enter, it is rejected. And if I'm entering say 65, enter, again it is rejected. And if I enter say 63, again it is accepted. Let's lock it. Since the manual valuation is specified as the valuation mode, then you can specify whether you want to accept it or not. So overall valuation is accepted, and this is the mean value which is coming. Save it. So this is how you can add the tolerance for the MICs. Again, my MIC US23, enter, and the MIC was this, enter. And since just now we have used this as the tolerance limit, which was 5% for upper and 5% for the lower limit. And in the rules, two options were coming. One was tolerance specification in the percentage and tolerance specification via tolerance key. If I select this second one and you press enter key, then you can see now it is asking you to enter the tolerance key value. It will give you the list of tolerance key which are maintained as per the ISO standard, and you can use the relevant one which is required. All these things are already maintained in the configuration. Let's go to another session, and if I open QCC0, enter, and in the quality planning, basic data, and in the inspection characteristics, just now it was giving me defined tolerance key, and these are the ISO standards which are maintained. If you select this, you click on details, then it will show you the details for it. Okay, tolerance definition and all. Let's go back. And if we select this and click on nominal values, then it will show you what will be the upper and lower limits and its nominal values for it. Let's go back. Define specification determination rule. If you click on this, continue, then this is the rule list which was coming 1 and 2, tolerance specification in percentage. Just now we tried, okay, should be activated. This is how you can maintain the tolerance.